Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are looking at the US dollar Canadian dollar ahead of an important trading day and an important day both for both the dollars, if you want a short joke, because today we'll have the Miss Yellen, the governor of the Federal Reserve Bank, the most important bank in the most important central bank in the world. So Miss Yellen is going to speak, and also we will have the Bank of Canada interest rate decision today. And I would say it is quite a high level of volatility that we should expect. However, I am a bit bullish on the US dollar Canadian dollar going into Bank of Canada today, and therefore I would like to buy call options with end of day expiration date today on the pair. Now the reason is first fundamental, and second it is based on technicals, because if you take a trend line from here to here and you analyze this move here, this is a classical contracting triangle. Now, not only that the contracting triangle has been broken to the downside, but it has also been validated. What does it mean, validation? Well, validation, it means where the B2D trend line is broken, like this one has been broken here, it is retested, and then price resumed to the downside as well. So I would say that this is either a B wave or an X wave, anyways an intervening X wave, and then price returned or resumed the move to the downside, and now we have a possible inverse head and shoulders. Now if you take a neckline from here, something like this, I would say that this line here is crucial for future price action, because price now is about to pick above this important neckline. So breaking the neckline here, maybe a retest, and then going for the measure move will be interesting to see. Nevertheless, from this moment on, even if the retest is going to come, price should end the day at higher levels, and hence this is the reason why I want to buy the call options. So here normally the measure move will be something like this. And if you clone it and put it here by the moment of break, which seems to be this one here, we'll have the target to the up. Now the target to the upside points towards something like 111, but remember that this is a reversal pattern, and the measure move is actually there only as a guidance or as a target on your trade to the upside. But time frame also counts. This is a 4-hour chart, so price should go and hover around these levels for quite some time now. It is important to see how the rhetoric of the Bank of Canada is going to be, because Bank of Canada lately, like all the central banks in the world, is trying to talk down the currency, because nobody seems to want a higher currency based on lower inflationary levels. If there is inflation, then maybe the central banks will come and increase the interest rates, but not here, not now. So on this inverse head and shoulder, that should be the potential left shoulder, that should be the potential right shoulder, and of course we should look now at the measure move to come somewhere in 111 and so on. So the regular let's say expiration date should be end of day now, as high let's say events or high volatility events are going to come and hit the market. So let's write here on the screen our scenario that we want to buy call options with end of day expiration date based on, first of all, fundamentals, Bank of Canada coming, and probably will talk down the currency, or will try to talk down the currency in this fashionable lately let's say verbal intervention. And of course we want to buy call options based on the possible inverse head and shoulder, with the right shoulder probably to be done in this corrective form, A, B, C, or a corrective way. And now to look for the same move here to the upside, with this being the measure move. So something like here would be our measure move with the value somewhere around 111. Well, that's pretty much the analysis, both technical and fundamental. If you project this trend line from here, like this, then you are seeing that price hesitated here, probably hesitate here. So this would be important on a break and on a retest, and then for price to continue its quest towards the 111. The thing is that this US dollar and Canadian dollar pair is quite, I would say, forming a contracting triangle on the bigger time frame. So this to be A and the B, now the C wave to the downside, and then we should look for another D wave there. So fishy things, lows being taken, highs being broken, but nevertheless still looks bullish. Thank you for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses and interpretations and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here and of our official sponsor Lionknife. So make sure you check also lionknife.com, but most importantly make sure you check fairbinaryoptions.com and you go on the official YouTube channel of fairbinaryoptions.com, because all these recordings and analyses are uploaded there, and each day on a daily basis we'll have one analysis uploaded, and of course we'll interpret markets based on both technical and fundamentals, having a binary option with expiration date and interpretation. Thank you again, and bye bye.